Welcome to Best 5 Picks. The Best Photoshop keyboard is probably one of the most essential tools for any digital artist or graphic designer looking to streamline their workflow and unlock their full creative potential, offering a tactile and intuitive way to access frequently used commands and shortcuts, ultimately saving you precious time and reducing the frustration of constantly searching for the right key. Number 5. AULA F2088 Typewriter Mechanical Gaming Keyboard. Experience the satisfying click and tactile feedback of mechanical blue switches with our vintage-inspired round keycaps. They offer a crisp sound and precise response, perfect for gaming. Plus, they're designed for comfort and durability. Easily manage your media and lighting with dedicated controls. Adjust volume, play pause music, and switch between 19 lighting effects or customize your own. You can even adjust brightness and speed. Crafted with a durable aluminum alloy panel, this keyboard is built to last. The magnetic wrist rest provides comfortable support, reducing strain during long gaming sessions. Enjoy high-speed, accurate gameplay with 104 anti-ghosting keys. Every keystroke registers precisely, ensuring your commands are executed flawlessly for a competitive edge. This stylish and durable keyboard is designed for broad compatibility. It works seamlessly with most operating systems and devices, offering a simple plug-and-play experience. What we like. If you love the nostalgic feel of typewriters and enjoy a satisfying click with every keystroke, this is the keyboard for you. Its retro punk round keycaps and crisp blue switches offer a unique typing and gaming experience. The convenient media control knob allows for easy adjustments without interrupting your flow, making it perfect for content creators and gamers who appreciate both style and function. What people say. The keys have a satisfying, tactile click that feels intentional and nostalgic without being clunky. Typing on this keyboard is genuinely enjoyable. It makes writing, gaming, and everyday tasks feel more engaging and fun. The typewriter-style keycaps give it a unique, vintage aesthetic that stands out on my desk and always gets compliments. It's taking me a minute or two to get used to typing on a new keyboard, but that's to be expected. The lights are bright, but you can dim them easily if you'd like. It also comes with a nice magnetic wrist rest that pops right on or off as needed. Number 4. Xencelabs Quick Keys Shortcut Controller. Introducing a revolutionary shortcut controller with a built-in OLED screen. Easily see what each key does, eliminating guesswork and the need for overlay software. Gain access to up to 40 programmable shortcuts across 5 sets. These commands automatically adapt to your creative software, tailoring every tap to your unique workflow. Navigate your creative projects with ease using the multifunction dial. Control zoom, brush size, and timeline scrubbing for a fluid editing experience. Designed for digital artists, video editors, and photographers alike. It seamlessly integrates with your favorite creative applications for enhanced productivity. This shortcut pad works independently of a drawing tablet and connects wirelessly via private Bluetooth 5.0 or USB. It's compatible with Windows, Mac OS, and Linux systems. Experience a faster and more reliable connection with its dedicated Bluetooth dongle. Enjoy uninterrupted creativity, even in busy environments. What we like. For digital artists, video editors, and photographers who need instant visual feedback on their shortcuts, this is an ideal choice. The OLED display clearly shows what each of the 40 programmable keys does, eliminating guesswork. Its multifunction dial offers smooth control for tasks like zooming and brush adjustments, streamlining your creative workflow across various software. What people say. The Xencelabs Quick Keys device is extremely well designed and works seamlessly across my setup. The buttons are responsive, the dial is smooth, and the overall build quality feels premium. It adds a lot of efficiency to my workflow, especially for creative software where shortcuts matter. Setup is simple, installation is quick, and the software is intuitive to customize. The OLED display has customizable labels for each button, and it lasts about a week on a charge. There can be 6 different sets of buttons with different shortcuts macros for each application you configure settings for. Number 3. TourBox Neo Editing Controller. Introducing the TourBox Neo, a revolutionary editing controller designed to streamline your creative workflow. It offers intuitive control for photo editing, illustration, and video color grading, boosting your productivity effortlessly. This wired controller ensures a stable, zero-latency connection, eliminating charging worries and dropouts. It's engineered for Mac OS and Windows to provide the ultimate desktop creative experience. Designed for content creators, it speeds up your experience in drawing, photo retouching, color enhancement, and video editing. It simplifies your creative process, making it more efficient and seamless. Enjoy seamless compatibility with a vast range of creative software, including Photoshop, Lightroom, Premiere Pro, Final Cut Pro, Clip Studio Paint, and many more. It's your all-in-one solution. Whether you're a novice or a professional, it acts as your essential drawing assistant. Effortlessly manage brush parameters like size, flow, opacity, and canvas rotation with its intuitive controls. Take control of your photography post-processing with its unique button layout and updated screen menu. Easily navigate image selection and make precise color adjustments with one hand. Gain precise and intuitive control over your video timeline and color grading. Its design, inspired by professional editors, makes complex adjustments simpler and more accessible than ever before. What we like. If you prioritize a stable, lag-free connection and a highly intuitive control scheme for photo editing and illustration, consider this option. Its wired nature ensures zero latency, and the thoughtfully designed buttons and dials allow for efficient one-handed operation. It's perfect for creators who work extensively with graphics tablets and need precise control over brush parameters and color grading. What people say. 150 commands means my keyboard is now nearly obsolete. I can save 30 programs onto the TourBox programs, each with its own 150 preset. Buttons are nice and quiet, easy to press and not too close to each other where you might accidentally mispress. You can even adjust the way you place it for a more personal button format. Material is nice and soft, rubbery and sleeky. The software is easy to use and you can edit how you want each button to function, or you can just use the pre-made button configurations for several of the popular editing programs out there. Number 2. TourBox Elite Pro Video Editing Controller. Introducing the TourBox Elite, a professional controller designed for creators. It offers dual connectivity for a stable, high-performance experience on your desktop. This versatile tool is compatible with all your favorite creative software, from video editing suites to photo editors and drawing applications. Streamline your workflow like never before. Customize every knob, button, and key combination to match your unique habits and projects. Its powerful system simplifies even the most complex operations. Experience precise timeline control and intuitive color grading with tactile feedback. Adjusting colors becomes simple and user-friendly, enhancing your video projects. Take full control of your image editing with one-handed operation. Easily select images and make precise color adjustments, speeding up your photography workflow. Enhance your digital art with this controller, compatible with drawing tablets. Effortlessly adjust brush parameters, rotate your canvas, and switch tools for a smoother creative process. What we like. This is the professional's choice for video editing and color grading, offering both Bluetooth and USB-C connectivity for ultimate flexibility. Its powerful custom system allows for deep personalization of every control, including advanced macro functions for complex operations. If you demand precise, tactile feedback for timeline control and color adjustments, this controller will significantly boost your productivity. What people say. It really does make the workflow easier with fewer mouse clicks movements. I can also quickly jump between Photoshop, After Effects, Premiere etc. and the new presets instantly pop up for that respective program. Every button has its own sound and feel, so you get multiple levels of feedback to know what you're pressing without looking down. Number 1. Logitech MX Creative Console. Introducing the Logitech MX Creative Console, a revolutionary tool designed to streamline your creative process. It offers unparalleled control and customization for your favorite applications. Effortlessly speed up your creative workflow. This device allows you to quickly access essential tools and actions, so you can stay focused on bringing your ideas to life. It seamlessly integrates with a wide range of popular creative software, including Adobe Creative Cloud, Final Cut Pro, and more. Get started quickly with pre-made profiles. Experience precise adjustments with its tactile analog control dial and navigate effortlessly with the roller. The programmable keypad puts all your essential actions at your fingertips. Tailor it to your specific needs. Assign tools and actions to customizable LCD keys, and even upload your own icons for a truly personalized setup. Discover a growing library of actions and plugins through the Logi Options Plus app. Find recommended profiles, icon packs, and more to enhance your creative experience. Connect easily via Bluetooth or USB-C, enjoy long-lasting use with extended battery life, ensuring it's always ready when inspiration strikes. What we like. If you're looking for a versatile creative console that integrates seamlessly with Adobe software and offers a visual customization experience, this is a great pick. The customizable LCD keys allow you to upload your own icons, and the tactile analog control dial provides precise adjustments. Plus, with a 3-month Adobe Creative Cloud membership included, it's an excellent value for graphic designers and video editors. What people say. The keyboard is designed with shortcuts for Photoshop, making editing faster. It has dedicated keys for common Photoshop tools and functions, improving workflow efficiency. The layout is intuitive and easy to learn, even for users new to shortcut keyboards. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.